Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making no-knead sourdough bread with bone broth. And if you guys know me, you know I love adding bone broth to literally anything that I can. This homemade bread is no-knead, it uses up your sourdough discard, and it has the added health benefits of bone broth. It's quick and easy. Let me show you guys how to make it. So all we need is a large mixing bowl to mix up this bread dough. And so I'm using my secret ingredient today, which is bone broth. If you guys follow along, you know that I put bone broth in anything that I can, from sweet to savory. Bone broth adds collagen, nutrients, and amino acids to dishes, and it also has added protein. Plus, it's also going to infuse this bread with some flavor. Today, I'm using the new kettle and fire flavor of the lemon thyme chicken, and it's so delicious in this bread. But you guys could use any kind of bone broth that you like. A plain beef would work, a plain chicken is great, but you could also infuse flavor into your bread through the bone broth. You guys could use other flavors like turmeric or chicken and mushroom to infuse that flavor into your bread. So when making this bread, I just highly recommend using a digital food scale. That's going to give you guys the best results. So now we're going to grab our large mixing bowl and add in our bread flour. Next, we're going to add in our instant yeast. Then we're going to add our sourdough discard, and you guys can use this straight from the fridge. And then of course some salt. And then last, we're going to add in our bone broth. Now we're just going to mix together with our hands until a shaggy dough forms. Now we're just going to cover this with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 2 hours or until it's doubled in size. So once our dough has doubled in size, we're going to preheat our oven to 450 degrees. Now we're just going to add a little bit of flour to our surface. We don't need that much. Now we're going to gently smooth the top and form the dough into a loaf. Then you're going to place your bread loaf on a piece of parchment paper and then transfer it to your Dutch oven. I'm using a bread oval here, and I'll link this one in the description as it's perfect for this bread. Then we're going to take a sharp knife and score the top. Now we're going to cover this with a lid. We're going to bake this covered at 450 degrees for about 30 minutes. Then you're going to remove the lid. Then you're going to bake it again for an additional 15 minutes or until the bread is golden brown. So once our bread is golden brown, then it's done. You guys want to make sure you let this cool completely before slicing into it. This makes a perfect dinner bread. It's delicious for toast, sandwiches, grilled cheese, and more. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more homemade bread recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.